March is Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. Colorectal cancer is the third leading cancer incidence worldwide with 1.9 million cases in 2022. It is also the second leading cause of cancer death, and the global burden will increase to 1.1 million deaths by 2030. Studies have shown that screening colonoscopy reduces the risk of developing colorectal cancer by 48% and the risk of dying from it by 65%. However, many people are unaware that early detection leads to a much higher survival rate, and they are afraid of screening endoscopy. But are people perhaps even more afraid of a required surgery in case of a negative finding? During this March, we want to not only raise awareness for screening endoscopy, but also show that there is a minimally invasive treatment option for patients. It is called FTRD System for full-thickness resection of suitable lesions in the colorectum. It is closing the gap between endoscopy and surgery, showing high clinical success rates worldwide. Follow us and the hashtag Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month to get all the information on this important topic throughout March.